Hey there YouTube, this is Tosmo with an updated video of my Airsoft Armory. Okay, originally I was planning to drastically reduce the size of my Armory, but recently I got a generous donation from someone here in the Houston Airsoft community of guns that I could use to supply new members of my Airsoft team with. Like my last video, I'm going to give you a brief overview of all the guns, tell you a little bit about them. Here we got an ACM HK 416, plastic body, about 370 FPS. A standard G&G M4A1, about 350 FPS. A CYMA SM28 AK-47, very cheap gun but a great gun for beginners. It actually looks pretty good right there. An ACM MP40, about 320 FPS. A G&G G36C, 360 FPS. That's a good gun. Yes, I have two of these. These are CYMA SM28s, desert tan rail system on them. They look not too bad. These are the ones you can get refurbished at Kapowie for about $70, I think. Pretty good. Great gun for beginners. These are my only spring guns. Got the TSD shotgun, tri-shot, about 260 FPS. TSD sniper rifle, about 440 FPS. Wells sniper rifle, got the scope on there. Good scope. Not a bad gun, about 480 to 500 FPS. That's with .20 gram BBs. And we got some pistols over here. My P226 from the last video, Tokyo Marui. Good gun. WE 1911. Got the MEU grip on there. My Chrome Hi-capa 5.1 Combat Master. I've got the silencer on there. Doesn't do much good, it just looks really mean. Gotta like that. Here we have some grenades. That would be the VFC James Boom Airsoft Frag Grenade. Hikatsu Flashbang. Just makes a really big bang. It's great for making everybody on the field just jump right out of their pants. Mach 18 Smoke Grenade. Actual smoke grenade. Those work really good. This one's a blue smoke. Okay, I love this thing. Airsoft Claymore. You gotta get one of these. It's not a proximity mine. It's remote detonated. But still really awesome. Let's see. We've got CYMA MP5, about 370 FPS. Good gun. G&G SG552. I love this gun. It's great for a very cheap G&G. It's lasted me a long time. It's got about 350 FPS. Alright, we have a Kart EBR M14. This thing is ridiculously heavy. I mean, really. It's about 12, maybe 14 pounds. Looks awesome. It's got about 350 FPS. Fires really fast with a 9.6 volt battery. Okay, here we got a G&G UMG, replica of the HK UMP. This has 330 FPS but has long range and is really accurate. Got the silencer on there. Looks really good. 552 EOTech model with the laser attached to the side. So you have a second laser along with the red dot. G&G SOC 16, replica of the M14 SOCOM. About 390 FPS, extremely accurate. Got a red dot up there, not bad. ACM M249. Great LMG. Got the box mag here. About 380 FPS. Also pretty heavy. We got the G&P Magpul PTS M4 short barrel. G&P red dot, tan cover on it. I don't know if you can see that, but it's got some really nice looking trades on it. Magpul trades. MER-1 Voltor weapon system. And of course, still my favorite, just a little bit more customized and even more heavier now, is my Star FNC. As you can see, I've got the scope on it now, found a scope mount. Got the rail system, tan covers, and I have the grenade launcher, which goes great because this gun has flip-up grenade launcher sights on it. About 380 FPS. It's a great gun. Well, that is my rather ridiculous Airsoft Armory. Thanks for watching. I plan to do demonstration videos and reviews of some of these guns if you'd like to see that. I'll be chronographing them, let you hear them shoot, just show you what these guns can do. And of course I have more skirmish videos coming up soon. So leave comments and please subscribe.